How to archive an email list manually in Moosend. First, click on the link provided in the description below to gain easy access on the tool we'll be using. Once there, log in your account or sign up if you don't already have one. After logging in, you will be directed to the dashboard. Let's start by accessing the email lists in Moosend. To do this, you'll need to navigate to the menu bar at the top of the page and click on Audience. From the drop-down menu, select Email Lists. Once you're on the email list page, you'll see a list of all your email lists. Find the specific email list from which you want to archive contacts and click on its name. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a menu. Find and click on View All Members within that menu. This will display all the members in the selected email list. Scroll through the list of members until you find the contact that you want to archive. You can identify the contact by their email address. To proceed with archiving this contact, locate the three dots icon beside their email address. Click on the icon, and a menu will appear. From this menu, select Archive Delete. After selecting Archive Delete, a dialog box will appear to confirm the action. In this dialog, you'll see two options, Archive and Delete. Since we want to archive the contact, click on Archive.